Today, I'm excited to guide you through creating a sublimation tumbler and enhancing it with Crystalac to incorporate glitter or a subtle sparkle to your sublimation artwork. Creating sublimation tumblers has been a journey of learning for me. I've found success with sublimating other items, but tumblers have been trickier, leading to a few mishaps along the way. However, that's all part of the process, and I'm here to share my insights with you. Firstly, it's crucial to understand that sublimation relies heavily on heat and pressure. For tumblers, you have the option of using either a mug press or a convection oven. Currently, I'm using a convection oven, with aspirations to upgrade to a mug press in the near future. When using a convection oven for sublimation, it's vital to find the right baking time. My sweet spot is around 360 to 370 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes, rotating the tumbler once during the process. While some online resources suggest up to 6 minutes at 400 degrees, I've found that this can lead to burning. Of course, there are various factors at play, and the ideal timing might differ for you. If you notice your design is burning or has a burnt smell, you've left it in too long. On the other hand, if the design appears faded, it may not have baked long enough, or there may not have been enough pressure applied. It might take some experimentation to find what works best for you. Now, let me walk you through the steps of sublimation, followed by applying Crystalac Bright Tone. Start by measuring and printing your design wrap. There's generally consistency in tumbler sizes across different manufacturers. For a 20-ounce tumbler, I typically use dimensions of 9.33 by 8.25 inches. Depending on whether I'm using my own design or a purchased one, I use Microsoft Word or Silhouette Studio to resize the image, print it on sublimation paper, trim the edges, and then wrap it tightly around the tumbler. You can either have the edges meet or overlap slightly, it's a personal preference. Ensure that you use heat-resistant tape to secure the paper tightly, particularly along the seam. If the paper is too long, fold it over and tape it at the top and bottom of the tumbler. Press down along the seam to ensure it's secure. Next, place your tumbler in a shrink wrap and use a heat gun to apply gentle heat, ensuring even pressure is applied all around. Be cautious not to overheat any specific area to avoid damaging the shrink wrap. Once prepped, bake your tumbler in the preheated convection oven at the previously mentioned settings. After baking, carefully remove the tape and sublimation paper. Be mindful of the heat and take care not to burn yourself. Your design should be vibrant and show no signs of burning. With your sublimation complete, it's time to add the Crystalac. This step is optional, but it can add a unique touch to your design. First, apply 3 light coats of clear shellac spray, allowing 30 minutes of drying time between each coat. Ensure you cover every part of the tumbler, including the edges and bottom. After the final coat, wait an additional 3 to 4 hours before proceeding. For the glitter effect, mix a small amount of extra fine glitter additive with Crystalac Bright Tone. Apply this mixture evenly to your tumbler, taking care to avoid streaks. After this glitter layer, add at least 3 more coats of bright tone, sanding after the 3rd coat, and then apply 3 additional coats for a total of 6. I've been using my tumbler for 3 months now, and it's withstood various tests, including being dropped, and is holding up excellently. For more tips, subscribe to this channel and click the bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded.